It was a cold, gray morning when Lily, a 10-year-old girl with big eyes and messy pigtails, tiptoed down the creaky stairs of the small house she shared with her mother. Her shoes were worn out, her jacket 2 winters old, but there was one thing shining in her heart: hope. For weeks, Lily had been saving coins. A dime here, a quarter there, whatever she could find by returning bottles, running errands for neighbors, or quietly taking change from the laundromat floor. She never told her mother why, but in her mind, she had a mission: to buy her mother a birthday cake. Her mom hadn't smiled in months, not since her father passed away unexpectedly. The house was filled with quiet now, heavy with sorrow and unpaid bills. Lily remembered the way her mom used to light up when her dad brought home cake on birthdays. Those were happy times. And even if the world had changed, Lily was determined to bring that spark back, if only for a day. Every afternoon after school, she'd pass by Mr. Gordon's bakery, pressing her nose against the glass, counting the change in her pocket again and again. Mr. Gordon, a tall, elderly man with silver-rimmed glasses, watched her silently each time. He never said much, but he noticed her every day. Sometimes he saw her lips move, counting coins. Sometimes he saw her eyes close, imagining the taste of a simple chocolate cake. The day finally arrived. With a sock full of clinking coins stuffed in her coat pocket, Lily walked into the bakery with trembling hands. Mr. Gordon turned from behind the counter. The girl smiled nervously. "Hi. I'd like to buy the small chocolate cake in the window. It's for my mom. It's her birthday." Her words came out in a rush. Mr. Gordon looked at her kindly. "Do you have the money for it, sweetheart?" Lily nodded and began laying out the coins, pennies, nickels, a couple quarters, her entire collection, counted and recounted for weeks. The total was short by at least a few dollars. She bit her lip and looked down. "Is it okay if it's a little less? I really tried. I just wanted to surprise her." For a few long seconds, Mr. Gordon said nothing. He simply looked at the tiny hand spread over the counter, the sock half emptied, and the tear beginning to roll down her cheek. Then he turned, walked into the back room, and disappeared. Lily thought she had failed. She began to collect her coins again, heart heavy. But just then, Mr. Gordon returned, with the chocolate cake she had dreamed of. He set it gently on the counter and said, "This one's on the house. Tell your mom happy birthday from me." Lily's eyes widened. "But I don't have enough money," she whispered. Mr. Gordon smiled, gently pushing the cake toward her. "You paid in full, with love and effort. That's worth more than any price tag." Lily stood frozen for a moment before she burst into tears, happy ones. She hugged the box like it was treasure, and ran home with wind in her shoes. At home, her mother gasped when Lily revealed the cake. "Sweetheart, where did you get this?" Lily grinned. "From Mr. Gordon's bakery. I saved up for weeks." Her mother's eyes welled with tears, not just because of the cake, but because of the heart behind it. That evening, for the first time in months, their home echoed with laughter. They lit a candle, sang softly, and shared slices of sweetness and healing. But the story didn't end there. A few days later, Mr. Gordon received an unexpected visitor, Lily's mom. She came not with money, but with something else: a photograph. "You probably don't remember, but 25 years ago, a young woman ran out of money at this very bakery, trying to buy bread for her sick father. And a kind man gave her the bread anyway. That woman was me. You helped me then, and now you've helped my daughter. I just wanted to say thank you." Mr. Gordon looked at her, stunned. He remembered. And in that moment, something shifted in him. He had spent years watching the world change, sometimes grow colder. But kindness, he realized, always found a way to come full circle. From that day forward, he made it a silent mission to help quietly whenever he could. A free pastry here, a warm smile there. And Lily? She became a regular visitor, stopping by the bakery after school not just for treats, but to help Mr. Gordon around the shop. He became part of their little family, the warmth of his bakery no longer just from the oven, but from something deeper. Sometimes, miracles aren't loud or dramatic. Sometimes, they're wrapped in a small box with chocolate frosting and lit by a single candle, sparked by a little girl's love and a stranger's compassion.